Hello, friends! I'm so excited to learn about the next six letters of the alphabet. These are the last letters of the alphabet. So, let us remember what we've learned from the last few classes. We learned about A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. We learned about all those letters. So today we are going to learn about six more letters. We're going to learn about U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, so let us learn the sounds of these words and some new words. So here is a picture of all U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So let us start off with U. There is a big U and a small U. U makes the sound. Can you say U makes the sound. And U makes a sound for umbrella. 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 Can you say umbrella? Very good. Now let's see about V. There is V. V makes the b sound. Can you say b b b b b b b b b? V makes the b b b sound. Like vase, b b vase, b b vase. Very good. Can you say it with me once? B b vase. Very good. The next word is W. W makes the wa sound. Can you say wa? W makes the wa. And what word starts with W? Water. Water. Can you say water? Wa water. Very good. Now let us do X. X makes the X sound. It makes just X sound. So one word that starts with X is X-ray. See, this man is getting an X-ray. X-ray. Okay, now let us do Y. Y. Y makes the ya sound. Can you say ya? Y makes the ya sound. Yarn starts with Y. Can you say yarn? Yarn. Very good. Yarn. Yarn. Very good. Now we will do the last letter, which is Z. Z makes the z sound. Can you say z? Z. Can you say it once with me? Z. Very good. And zero starts with the letter Z. Zero. Zero. Can you say it once with me? Zero. Very good. So today we learned about U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good job. And we also learned about umbrella, base, water, X-ray, and yarn and zero. Let's say them together once. Can you say umbrella? I mean umbrella. 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 Very good. Can you say vase? Vase. Very good. Vase. And can you say water? Water? Water. Very good. And X-ray? X-ray. Say it once with me. X-ray. Very good. And can you say yarn? Yarn. Say it once with me. Yarn. Very good. And zero. 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 Very good job, everybody. So we learned all the letter sounds from A to Z. I had so much fun learning all the letter sounds. I hope you had fun with me too. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Bye.